Master of Ceremonies, you will now present the Senior Warden-elect.
Most worshipful historic officer, I now present to you for installation worshipful brother Ben Suhud Ajihid, who has been duly elected to serve as senior warden of this lodge. He is of good morals, true and trusty, and possesses the love and confidence of the brother. This certificate vouches for his proficiency in the lecture and rituals of the first and second Mass.
Very worshipful Ben Suhud Ajihid, you have been duly elected Senior Warden of this lodge, and I now invest you with the distinctive buds of your honorable station, the level. The level demonstrates that we are descended from the same stock, that we partake of the same nature and share the same hope, and that all the distinctions among men are necessary to preserve subordination, yet no eminence of station should make us forget that we are brethren. For he who is placed on the lowest spoke of fortune's wheel may be entitled to our regard, because a time will come, and the wisest know not how soon, without distinctions, save that of all godliness shall cease, and death, the mighty leveler of human greatness, reduces us to the same state. My brother, you heard the Master give his assent to support and defend the ancient charges and regulations of free